Hi friends, welcome to my channel, your Educare Planet. Today I'm going to discuss with you about a very useful add-in of Microsoft Excel, that is Solver. Solver is generally not available on the ribbon of Microsoft Excel. However, it is inbuilt function, but it is not available on the ribbon of the Microsoft Excel. I will let you know today how you will bring that particular tab in the ribbon of the Microsoft Excel. It is very easy. I'll let you know the complete method to appear that solver on the ribbon of Microsoft Excel. It can be used to optimization of the problem, that is we can maximize and minimize the profit, loss and everything. It can be used for financial modeling, it can be used for product scheduling, and finally it can be useful to linear programming. It is totally free. Friends, there are other tools which are available which can be useful as good as Solver, but these tools may be paid subscription based, but this is entirely a free tool. No need to spend a single penny to install it. See here, there are many tabs: file, home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, view. So when we open our Excel, so generally by default home tab will come in front of us. So, and in the home tab there are many sub tabs which are available, but when you go in data, you can see here I am observing a additional tab, that is Solver. Usually this tab is not available on the ribbon of that particular Excel. I'll let you know. First I will make it invisible, disappear from this ribbon, and then I'll let you know how we can bring the Solver tab in the main ribbon of this data tab. So very simple, you just go to the file. I'm using the Microsoft 365. It may be different from other Microsoft Office, but the method is same. I will go for option. Right, in option there are many tabs. I'll choose Addins. In Addins by default there is appear a Excel Addins. Go for Excel Addin. Here you can see there are 4 tabs if it are visible for you. Analysis Toolpack, Analysis Toolpack BBA, Euro Currency Tools, and there is a one option which is Solver. So primarily I have unchecked this tab, and if I have unchecked this tab, you can see here in data tab, I'll show you that tab which was appeared earlier was not visible here. So usually when you open your Excel, this tab is not available. Now I'll let you know how we can make this tab available on this particular ribbon. Again, I'll go on file. On file, I'll go to option. In option, add-ins. Again Excel add-ins, then I'll check the Solver add-in on this and say OK. It will take hardly less than 1 minute, and you can see here this Solver tab is available on this ribbon.